Dear friends, today we will discuss 10 ways to lose weight without dieting. Basic changes to your way of life can assist you with getting thinner and keep it off. Certainly, you can get thinner rapidly. There are bounty of fad diets that work to shed pounds quickly while leaving you feeling hungry and denied. Be that as it may, what benefit is getting in shape just to recover it? To keep pounds off forever, it's ideal to get more fit gradually. Also, numerous specialists say you can do that without going on a diet. Instead, the key is simplifying changes to your way of life. 1 pound of fat is equivalent to 3,500 calories. By shaving 500 calories every day through dietary and exercise changes, you can lose about a pound 7 days. On the off chance that you just need to keep up with your present weight, shaving 100 calories daily is to the point of staying away from the additional 1 to 2 pounds most grown-ups gain every year. Take on at least one of these straightforward, easy systems to assist with getting thinner without going on a diet. Eat breakfast every day. One propensity that is normal to many individuals who have shed pounds and kept it off is eating breakfast every day. Many individuals think skipping breakfast is an extraordinary method for cutting calories, yet they generally wind up eating more over the course of the day, says Elizabeth Ward, MS, Road, creator of the Pocket Idiot's Guide to the New Food Pyramids. Concentrates on show individuals who have breakfast have lower BMIs than breakfast captains and perform better. Whether at school or in the meeting room, try a bowl of entire grain cereal finished off with leafy foods, fat dairy for a fast and nutritious beginning to your day. Close the kitchen at night. Establish when you will quit eating so you won't surrender to the late-night munchies or careless nibbling while at the same time staring at the TV. Have some tea. Suck on a piece of hard treats or partake in a little bowl of light frozen yogurt or frozen yogurt in the event that you need something sweet after supper. However, brush your teeth so you will be more averse to eat or drink anything more, recommends Elaine McGee, MPH, Road, WebMD's formula doctor, and the creator of Comfort Food Makeovers. Pick liquid calories wisely. Sweetened drinks heap on the calories, however don't diminish hunger like strong food sources do. Fulfill your thirst with water, shimmering water with citrus. Skim or low-fat milk, or little divides of 100% organic product juice. Attempt a glass of nutritious and low-calorie vegetable juice to hold you over in the event that you get hungry between dinners. Watch out for liquor calories, which add up rapidly. Assuming you will more often than not drink a glass or two of wine or a mixed drink, generally speaking, restricting liquor to the ends of the week can be a tremendous calorie saver. Eat more produce. Eating heaps of low-calorie, high-volume fruits and vegetables crowds out different food sources that are higher in fat and calories. Get the meat off the focal point of your plate and heap on the vegetables. Or then again have a go at beginning lunch or supper with a vegetable plate of mixed greens or bowl of stock-based soup. Proposes Barbara Rolls, Ph.D., creator of the Volumetrics Eating Plan. The U.S. government's 2005 dietary guidelines propose that grown-ups get 7 to 13 cups of produce day to day. Ward says that is not exactly so troublesome. Stock your kitchen with bounty of fruits and vegetables, and at each feast and tidbit, incorporate a couple of servings, she says. Your eating routine will be advanced with nutrients, minerals, phytonutrients, fiber, and assuming you top off on super nutritious produce. You will not be going after the treat container. Go for the grain. By subbing entire grains for refined grains like white bread, cakes, treats, and pretzels. You add genuinely necessary fiber and will top off quicker, so you're bound to eat a sensible part. Pick entire wheat breads and pastas, earthy colored rice, grain chips, popcorn, and entire rye wafers. Control your environments. Another straightforward methodology to assist with slicing calories is to control your current circumstance, everything from loading your kitchen with bunches of sound choices to picking the right eateries. That implies keeping away from the enticement by avoiding everything you can eat eateries. Also, with regards to parties, eat a sound nibble previously so you won't be starving. And be specific when you fill your plate at the smorgasbord, recommends Ward. Prior to returning for more food, stand by somewhere around 15 minutes and have a major glass of water. Trim portions. If you did nothing else except for lessen your segments by 10% minus 20%, you would get thinner. The majority of the bits served both in cafes and at home are greater than you really want. Take out the estimating cups to make sense of your usual portion sizes, and work on paring them down. Get instant portion control by utilizing little dishes, plates, and cups, says Brian Wansink, PhD. Creator of mindless eating. You won't feel denied in light of the fact that the food will look ample on humble dishware. Add more steps. Get yourself a pedometer and steadily add more strides until you reach 10,000 every day. Over the course of the day, give your best for be more dynamic pace while you chat on the telephone. Take the canine out for an additional walk, and walk set up during TV advertisements. Having a pedometer fills in as a steady inspiration and update. Have protein at every meal and snack. Adding a wellspring of lean or low-fat protein to every feast and bite will assist with keeping you feeling full longer, so you're more averse to indulge. Attempt low-fat yogurt, little piece of nuts, peanut butter, eggs, beans, or lean meats. Specialists likewise suggest eating little, successive suppers and tidbits, each 3–4 hours. To keep your glucose levels consistent and to abstain from indulging. Change to lighter alternatives. Whenever you can, utilize the low-fat adaptations of salad dressings, mayonnaise, dairy items, and different items. You can manage calories easily on the off chance that you utilize low-fat and lighter items, and assuming the item is blended in with different fixings. Nobody will at any point see, says McGee. More shrewd replacements. Use salsa or hummus as a plunge. Spread sandwiches with mustard rather than mayo. Eat plain simmered yams rather than stacked white potatoes. Utilize skim milk rather than cream in your espresso. Hold the cheddar on sandwiches. And utilize a little vinaigrette on your serving of mixed greens as opposed to heaping on the velvety dressing. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel for upcoming videos.